This is SmarTrend News. I'm Christy Duffy. Today is Tuesday, October 12th. This is your closing bell market wrap-up. The major U.S. equity indices closed higher today following release of minutes from the latest Federal Reserve meeting. Minutes from the September meeting showed that Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke and other officials are closer to deciding on what steps to take to counter low inflation and better the economy. In corporate news, Intel reported its third quarter earnings results after the closing bell. EPS of 52 cents per share beat consensus estimates of 50 cents per share. Quarterly revenue jumped 17% to $11.1 billion, ahead of Wall Street's estimate, $10.99 billion. The company expects fourth quarter revenues of $11.4 billion, plus or minus $400 million. The consensus forecast is for $11.33 billion. Shares of Google rose earlier in the day following an announcement that the global technology giant will invest 37.5% of starting funds into a U.S.-based wind farm power grid on the East Coast. The Atlantic Wind Connection Farm will reportedly be able to produce 6,000 megawatts to power about 2 million homes. Barclays reiterated an overweight rating on Apple and lifted the company's price target from $340 to $385 today. Barclays also lifted its fiscal 2011 EPS estimate from $14.43 to $14.56 and its fiscal 2012 EPS estimate from $16.92 to $17.80. Taking a look at where the major indexes closed today, the Dow Jones Industrial Average closing barely a fraction of a percent higher, 11,020 points. The S&P 500 closing over a third of a percent higher, 1,169 points. And the Nasdaq Composite is closing over 2/3 of a percent higher, 2,417 points. For more news, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Trade the Trend. This is SmarTrend News. I'm Christy Duffy.